Hi there, in this video, we're going to be on page 30 of your pre-algebra quarter 3 notebook, and we are going to complete the try-it problems, finding the perimeter of complex figures. So let's take a look at what we've got on this page. It looks like I've got a rectangle and half a circle. I've got a rectangle and maybe another rectangle, a triangle and a rectangle, and I've got two trapezoids. So first up, rectangle and a half a circle. So first, let's look at our first let's highlight our perimeter here. And there we go. So I know that I'm looking for this measurement. Now I can use my understanding of a rectangle. This doesn't have a measurement there, but I know it's got to be 12 centimeters. So I know my perimeter is going to be 12 plus 8 plus 12. But what is this piece going to be? Well, it's half a circle. And I know that I can find the circumference of a circle by multiplying pi times the diameter, or 2 times radius times pi. Well, if I use my understanding of rectangles, I know that this measurement here, use a different color, is 8 centimeters. So it looks like I have a diameter of 8 centimeters. Now, if I use the idea that pi is 3.14, I can calculate the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 8 centimeters. It's almost like there was a circle in there. So let's look at that. That's going to be 3.14 times the diameter, which is 8. And that equals, in my calculator, 25.12. But as you know, I only want half. I want half. So I'm going to divide this by 2 to get that piece. And that is going to be 12.56. So this part here is 12.56 centimeters. Right here is 12.56 centimeters. So it looks like I've got 12, 12.56, 12, 8. I'm going to add those. 8 plus 12 plus 12.56 plus 12 will give me the perimeter. When I put that in the calculator, I get 44.56 centimeters as the perimeter of this figure. All right, let's take a look at this next figure. Looks like I have two rectangles, and I know that is 5, I know that is 3, I know this is 7, and I know this is 1. But I don't know this measurement, and I don't know this measurement. So I got to take a look at how to break down these rectangles. If I draw a line here, I have this rectangle. And this tells me that this measurement right here, all the way up here, is 3 meters. Well, the total is 7 meters. So 7 minus 3 is 4 meters. So I know this part is 3, this part is 4, the total is 7. So I can now label that as 4 centimeters. To find this missing part, I need to draw my rectangle the other way. So here, if this part is 1 centimeter, then all the way down here has got to be 1 centimeter. And I know that 1 centimeter is a part of this 5. So 5 minus 1 is going to be 4 meters. Excuse me, I keep on calling them centimeters, and they're meters. Excuse me. So if this part here is 4 meters, this part right here is 4 meters. And now I have all the measurements I need for my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. My perimeter is going to be 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. When I put that in the calculator, I get 24 meters for my perimeter. Okay, let's take a look at this triangle above a rectangle. And if I highlight here, I know I have my two top parts of my triangle. This is 3 inches, and this whole entire base here is 28 inches. but I'm not sure what this side is until I say, hey, it's a rectangle, so that must also be 3 inches. So I've got 5 sides here, and it looks like I've got all my measurements. I need to add 8 plus 3 plus 28 plus 3. And when I put that in my calculator, I will get 50 inches. Okay, final shape is a trapezoid on top of a trapezoid. And for this trapezoid, looks like I know this is 50 and I know this is 50. I'm going to highlight this. Looks like I am looking for those 2 pieces. This piece and this piece. But I don't know this side, or this side. All I know is this line right here. What does this line mean? And you may or may not remember, but if I have a line labeled in this way, that is telling me that these sides are all congruent. So if this one is 21 millimeters, this one is 21 millimeters, and this is 21 millimeters, and this is 21 millimeters. And so now I have all 6 measurements, right? I've got 2 50s, and I've got 4 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I put that in the calculator, I will get 184 millimeters for the perimeter of that complex figure. That's all for the try-it problems. Thank you so much. Bye.